Hey guys, this is Jono from Simple Cookery, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Smashburger. Coming up. Alright, Smashburgers, so think In-N-Out, Shake Shack. These beautiful burgers with a really thin patty and a beautiful crust, complemented with some fresh vegetables. We've got some tomato, lettuce, and we're gonna melt some cheese over the top of the patty, and it's complemented with some beautiful buns. Usually they use potato buns in the US, but here we've just got some brioche buns as well. They look very nice and plump. We've got some pickles to add some acidity, which really helps cut through the fattiness of the burger patty. And we've got some mayo and some tomato sauce, or in the US, you would refer to this as ketchup, but here in Australia we call it tomato sauce. And that's all we need, guys. It's really, really easy and incredibly delicious. So let's start cooking. So the first step is to thinly slice our tomatoes. If you use a sharp knife, this is really gonna help give you a nice clean cut. So for our burger patties, we are going to use mince. And what we wanna do is roll them up loosely into fist-sized balls. Now, an important tip with the mince is to always use a mince that has at least 20% fat content. This is what's gonna give you the most optimum flavor out of your beef patty. And then generously season them with salt and pepper. Don't worry about the other side, we're gonna season it once they're in the pan. For our sauce, we are going to use equal quantities of mayonnaise and tomato sauce with a little sprinkling of paprika. And that's pretty much our burger sauce. Get a teaspoon and give it a good mix. That's pretty much all the prep that we need to do, so let's cook these burgers up. You wanna preheat a pan on medium-high heat. What I like to do is just lightly toast the burger buns on the pan. You can flip them over as well just to get a little bit of a char on the top of the burger as well. So add a generous amount of oil into the pan. Now we want to make sure the pan is smoking hot before we add in our beef patty. That's what's going to give us that really beautiful golden brown crust. You'll know when the pan is hot enough because you'll see a lot of smoke coming off the top. And just lay your burger patty in the pan. Use 2 spatulas to squish down the burger patty until it's nice and flat. Now we don't need to move the burger patty at all. Just let it cook for 2 minutes. Okay, so now after 2 minutes, we are going to flip our burger patty, and that is the color that we're looking for, a nice dark brown crust. We are also now just gonna give the other side a bit of a seasoning of salt and pepper. Add your cheese on top and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. At this stage, what I like to do is put a lid on top of the pan, and this kind of creates a little oven and allows your cheese to melt a bit quicker. This is looking really good and the kitchen is smelling absolutely amazing right now. So let's get this burger patty off the pan and we are ready to put this burger together. So to start off with, we're going to get the bottom layer of our burger bun, add our beautiful beef patty and cheese on top, and then 2 pickles, our tomatoes, lettuce. So with the sauce, what I like to do is spread it on the other bun, and then we just put that on top. And there we go, guys, a nice and easy smash burger. Enjoy.
Look at that, yum.
Smash burger. I'm gonna have it all. Let's get it.
Man, I just want to smash that. Cheers.
Look at that, the layers. Oh,
yeah, look at the layers. Pretty good. Smashable.
That's actually really good. And you guys, just remember with the mince, use a mince that has a high percentage of fat, because that's what gives it a lot of flavor. If the meat's too lean, you're not gonna get that nice flavor. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. As always, give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what other recipes you would like to see on this channel. On Simple Cookery, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you guys get more confident in the kitchen. Oh yeah, and lastly, Christmas is coming up. So the next month, we're gonna be doing some Christmas recipes to help you guys get prepared for the big day. So let us know in the comments what sort of Christmas recipes you'd like to see. We're thinking of doing maybe some roast potatoes, some ham maybe a turkey, but turkey is really big. All right, see you guys. See you next week.
So.